Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about in operator in SQL and the corresponding DAX expression in DAX Studio. So we can just write a very simple query here. Select static from products, and we just need one column here, that is product name. And where the product or where the color is equal to red. Just need to execute it. We are getting 63 rows. So, and here you can see these are all the products that have red color. So we need to achieve the same result in DAX. So here we have to write, because we need to filter we need to filter color. So we have two options. Either we can use filter function or we can use calculate table. But we have learned in the past lectures that we need to use filter function only when we need to filter one measure. Otherwise, if we need to filter some column, then we have to use calculate table because it's much faster. So we need to provide one table name here, that is products, and the color, products color is equal to red. So we just need to close it and we need to execute it. So here you can see we are getting lot of columns, but we need only one column. So what we can do here, so instead of giving the complete products table, we can use a single column using values. So values, when a column name is given, it returns a single column table of unique values. So we have to provide here product and the column name is product name. We just need to close it, and this is one column table. This value function returns one column table. So we just need to click run, and here you can see we are getting all the unique products, and we are having here 38 rows. And if we go to the SQL, here we are getting 63 rows, because with the help of value function it is giving us all the unique values. So we just need to write here distinct, execute, and here you can see we are getting 38 rows. But we need to get products that have color like red, blue and black. So we have to write here in, and the other color is black, and blue. And we just need to execute it, and here you can see we are getting 153 rows. So we need to get the same in operator, in functionality in DAX. So what we have to do is we just need to write here where product is equal to red, then pipe sign or products is equal to, this is the color, black, I've just copied it, and then pipe sign, which is blue, and we just need to execute it. And here you can see we are getting 153 rows, and we are getting all the products that are having a color red, black and blue. So this is one variation, and we can use one more. I just commented it, and what we can write here, this is OR operator, and we need to provide two values here. Products color is equal to red, and the other value is products color is equal to black, and we need to close it. So when we use OR operator, we can just provide two parameters inside. So we need the other one, third one, products color is equal to blue. So that's it. And now we can run this, and here you can see we are again getting 153 rows, and these are the underlying products. So these are the two variations for in operator. Either we can use pipe sign or either we can use OR operator.